Hello everyone, I'm Sneha. Today let's explore ASM/SNMP user and how to reset its password in OCI. The ASM/SNMP user is an Oracle ASM user with privileges to monitor Oracle ASM instances. Oracle Enterprise Manager uses the ASM/SNMP user to monitor Oracle ASM status. Hence, ASM/SNMP user password is required. The default password for ASM/SNMP user in ASM instance in OCI environment is not documented. In OCI, the database admin password will work only for sys, system, TD, wallet, and PDB admin users. To change ASM/SNMP user password in OCI environment, use the commands mentioned here. I've now logged into the Exadata Cloud Service using OCP user. I now do a sudo to grid. We log in as sysASM. And using the alter user command, we can change the ASM/SNMP password. Then grant sysdba to ASM/SNMP. If you do not grant sysdba, you will receive Aura 15000, that is command disallowed by current instance type. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.